In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add FDM Free Download Manager extension to Google Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded so you can move through the process without interruption. This extension is added through Chrome itself, so everything begins right inside the browser. Once Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Web Store. This is the official place where Chrome extensions can be found and installed. Using the Chrome Web Store is important because it helps make sure you are getting the correct extension from a trusted source. When the page opens, give it a moment to load completely so the search bar and extension listings appear properly. After that, use the search bar in the Chrome Web Store and type Free Download Manager. Be careful to enter the name clearly so you can find the correct result. As the results appear, look for the Free Download Manager extension in the list. It is always a good idea to quickly check the extension name before installing, just to make sure you are selecting the one you intended to add. When you have found the extension, click the blue Add to Chrome button. This starts the installation process. Chrome may show a small confirmation window asking you to approve the extension before it is added. Read the prompt if it appears, then continue with the installation. This is a normal part of adding extensions, and it allows Chrome to confirm that you want to proceed. Give the browser a few seconds to complete the installation. Once it is added, the extension should become available in Chrome. In many cases, you may also see a small notification confirming that the extension has been installed successfully. That covers everything you need to know.